Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to turn on trending searches on Google in Android and iPhone. Google trending searches are a gateway to get an overview of what people are talking about on the internet. You can easily enable trending searches option. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Open the Google Chrome app on your Android phone. Click Settings. Then click Search Settings. Scroll down until the find autocomplete with trending searches. Then select Show Popular Searches. Tap on Save. Click OK. You can see that trending searches option is showing here. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.